folks, I just wanted to do one more video of the walkway in front of blocks 45, 44, and I believe that was 43. Anyway, this is block 43 where that red glow on the left. That's actually not red, but the building part is red, hence the red glow. One bright light over there, bright light. All these lights you can see down here. There's 3 lights total. This one up above it as well. One, and then that glow is actually one of the smaller lights by the Alegance. Now let me just come over here quickly. That is the smaller little box light. But I think I don't know if you can see. See, there's a slight glow just on the bottom, center, top, right to those 2 little lights on the right side of this post, further down. That is the glow for the Alegance Lounge. Now all these lights, for God's sake, every light is lit up all the way down, right from 45 to 43. Oh, there's like, well, almost to 43, just before it curves to 43. Now I want to show you this as well. Every single light works. So unless they added 50 more lights, then you'll be back at home, right? This resort is meant to be kind of dark, so it's more natural. You stay in a resort, yes, they have light so that you're not going to trip, but it's perfect amount of lighting now over what people are saying. Oh, there's not enough lighting. When I read the reviews, by the way, let me reiterate that. People were complaining, the ones that were complaining, not all of them, some of them were complaining on the reviews that there's never enough lighting. There is a lot of lighting now, more than last year. Almost, basically everyone that I've seen except for a few are lit up. It's a resort, simple as that. You don't need to light up 1,000 more lights, because otherwise you might as well just stay home, because that's literally what it would be like. You're in the middle of a Caribbean island that doesn't really need a lot more lighting other than from the buildings and the lights that are around. So there's enough lighting to get around. Yes, it's dark, but just walk slower. I mean, that's my opinion. Again, that's all my opinion there about that too. So I'm sorry, it's almost 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Oh, almost 3 minutes now. But yeah, so when you're on this resort, anybody ever listen to this video, it's a resort. It's just enough lighting so you don't trip on things or whatever. And in one of my other videos, when I do the videos shortly here after this video, which I will be talking about and showing you around the pools right now, and showing you that there is some lighting there too. Anyway, that said, I will keep it at that. And yeah, how can you say there's no lighting now, right? There's lots. Excuse me. There's lots of lighting. So, ciao for now. Ciao for now.